Hey everyone, Luke here with Guardian Fleet Safety. Today we're checking out 3 brand new squads heading out to the oil fields in North Dakota for our friends at the Dunn County Sheriff's Office. All right, so the first thing you're gonna notice here is that there's quite a few lights on here. Keep in mind these guys are in a huge rural county. They cover over 2,000 square miles. And so having all of this extra dual color lighting on here to light up the ditches if they're on a crash scene or something like this, that is imperative. So that's why these cars have so many lights on them. So going down the side here, we got our 2X lights in the pit wrap. We have our barrage lights under the mirror and on the fenders. And then we have our 2X lights on the top of the mirror, and in the cargo window, we have our SoundOff Signal M-Power smoked light bar. And then of course we have our SL runners built into the running board, so they're extra protected on these vehicles. So I'm super excited to show you guys the video system in these cars, but before we get to that, let's check out the front end here. So this is a Weston heavy duty push bumper, pit wrap, and headlight assembly. We had this custom powder coated with Line-X material, and the reason we did that is there's a lot of scoria, a lot of rocks out there in the oil fields, and we don't want to chip that powder coating because these cars are going to take an absolute beating out in the oil fields. So we went the extra mile to make sure that they're going to have just the best possible protection they can. Up on the front here, we have our 2X off at 45 degrees off to the side. Obviously, we got our 2X in the pit wrap. We have our barrage lights across the light channel there. And then we have our 6x1s on the push bumper there. Those will flash in stage 3 drive along with the factory wigwag. And then, of course, we have our dual tone sirens. All right, so these cars are pretty cool, but they're definitely not as cool as the video system that's in here. And that's really what I wanted to talk to you today about, the GTAC in-car video, as well as the body camera setup that's in these squad cars. So we've been a long time reseller and distributor of GTAC products. A lot of people are familiar with them on the compute side with their heavy duty rugged computers, extremely popular with law enforcement agencies. Not so well known is that they do have an entire video, cloud-based video system as well that you can take advantage of, and it's a really great option for any department that's looking to modernize their video in their squad cars. So this here is the GTAC BCO 4K. This is a brand new body camera that was just recently released. One of the awesome things about this, obviously it shoots in 4K, so you can get extremely high quality video, and it's got a crazy long battery, so you can go a whole full 12-hour shift and not worry about recharging this. You can also get it with the optional LTE, so you can sync it with the vehicle, or you can actually live stream that through a SIM card through the cell network as well. Obviously in today's world, you need a body camera. Everybody's got them. There's a million places out there that make them. So choosing a high quality, reputable brand that, again, you can have a distributor stand behind and service and have parts on hand for is huge. The other new thing that this car has is it has the new LPR forward-facing camera. So not only does it capture that forward-facing video like a traditional video camera system would, but it also has a deep lens built into it where you can actually implement LPR functions, so you can automatically be running your plates as cars are passing you, checking your hot sheets and that type of stuff. And that's all built right into the camera. Okay, so here on the back of this Tahoe, we have our Barrage Series rear pillar kit. And this is also white, so again, you're gonna have all these lights are dual color, right? So you're gonna have that white override when you're in reverse or need that scene lighting. And then we have 2 pairs of our 2X lights on the back here. And then on this pickup, if you notice, we have our tricolor barrage lights under the tailgate, and those are going to give you the arrow stick pattern as well as the white override, as well as red and blue. So that's an option for pickup trucks, and that's gonna be perfectly synchronized with the arrow stick in the back window here, as well as synchronized with the arrow stick on the light bars for the other squads that are not pickup trucks. So one of the awesome things about this GTAC system that I love is that you can add multiple cameras to it as well. It's not just the front camera and the backseat camera like you see on a lot of the traditional systems. The GTAC can actually support up to 4 separate cameras throughout the car. So in this case, we added an additional camera to view out the back window. But if you had, let's say, a canine unit where you wanted to see the dog inside of the kennel, or you had some type of special use system, maybe a SWAT van or something where you wanted multiple cameras, multiple angles, you're able to add those into the system. And that's a really cool feature that's pretty unique within the industry. So here at Guardian Fleet Safety, we're obviously very well known for the high quality squad cars that we produce, but we also have a whole technology division that can help your department identify your technology needs, whether it's in-car video, body cameras, routers inside of the vehicle, connectivity, compute system, the laptops or the tablets in the cars. All of our account reps are well versed in that stuff. However, we do have a dedicated technology representative. So even if you just want to chat with them, have them maybe do a quick analysis of what you guys have. Maybe you're just trying to get some budgetary numbers. You have a big capital expense, coming up in a couple years to replace video. Go ahead and give us a call and we can connect you with the right people and make sure that you're getting the right solution for your unique situation. Because every agency, every budget, every jurisdiction is different, and not everybody needs just the same boilerplate system, because we can work with you to create a custom tailored solution that's going to fit within your budget and give you the features that you need and not a bunch of stuff that you don't. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all the support. Make sure to like our channel and we'll catch you on the next one.